Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook application, you will have to simply click on this three-lined icon at the top right corner. Now under this menu, you'll have to scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings under this menu. Now on this page, you will have to click on this See More in Account Center button. Click on this button and this is going to take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to scroll down and click on Personal Details. After you select Personal Details, you'll have to click on Account Ownership and Control. Now, you will see two options. The first option is memorialization and the second one is deactivation or deletion. So, we'll have to select deactivation or deletion. Now on this page, you'll have to click on the Facebook account you want to delete. So I'm going to choose this one. Now on this page, you'll have to choose whether you want to deactivate or delete your account. So we are going to choose delete account and click on continue. After we click on continue, we'll have to click on continue again. Now on this page, you'll have to choose the reason for deleting your Facebook account. So I'm going to choose any one of these reasons and I will click on continue. Now I'll click on continue again. After that, you'll have to scroll down and click on continue again. So this is our last step. On this page, we'll have to just enter our password. Once we confirm our password, our Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.